So guys, we are at the fortress and it looks really amazing here. Look at what I found here. This is a huge weapon. Look at it. It looks like a cannon. Yeah. So this place is located in a very strategic area of the city. It is very close to the seaport. It reminds me of Gore Island in Senegal. If you're someone watching me right now and you've been to Senegal, yeah, and you've been to Gore Island, you would find things like these, cannons like these. So now let's analyze this place. Like I said, I'm not a military personnel, but this place looks very strategic. It is very close to the sea, and that is to tell you that this place was purely used for military purposes. If an enemy is coming, they could easily see you because this is like a tower. You can stand somewhere here and then you see the ships that are coming. This tower or this fortress was built in the 15th century by the Genoese or Genoa, and it was built at a moment when Italy was not unified. Yeah, it was later on in the 18th century that Italia unified to become one. This place was used as a place to house military prisoners until 19th century. So this tells you a lot about Italian history. Yeah, if you're someone that understands a little bit about Italian history, you would realize that Italia went through civil wars. They went through a lot before Italia become unified, before it becomes the Italy that we all see now. So just to let you know also, this town was a town, was one of the residents of Christopher Columbus. According to history, Christopher Columbus did his when he was young, he was living around here, and he had like a farmlands where he used to farm. Yeah, and before embarking on his adventures, guys, look at that. Look at that view. So guys, we are heading to the fortress that I was talking about. This fortress was built by the Genoese in the 15th century. So we are walking in to explore how it looks like, and I would also give you some little bit history and information, what should I say, about this fortress. Yeah, so let's walk in to see how to explore how these fortress look like. Oh, Mamma mia, looks beautiful. Wow, guys, it's not really easy to walk around here, you know. Oh, why am I getting exhausted? I feel like I need to drink. Wow, guys, looks green, beautiful. Oh, I feel like I need to drink. Ciao. Ah. Whew. Guys, look at the building. Look at this wall. Wow. 15th century. Can you believe it? It was built since in the 15th century. I think that's one thing that really amazed me about Italy. Like, I don't know how to say this, but one thing about this country is every little city, let's say town or village that you explore, you would find something amazing, something that you can trace or learn about the history of that particular place. That's really amazing. So guys, okay, I think I am somewhere. Is this the entrance? And you get in here, man. Let me go in. Let's go. Wow, guys. Look at that. Wow, it looks like there's gonna be a concert here. I have no idea, but that's how it looks like. This is summer. In Liguria here, they don't play, you know. Yeah, during summer they party a lot. During summer, Ligurians party a lot. They make a whole lot of festivals. Or should I say festa? Yeah. Look at that, guys. A 15th century fortress still looking like this. You can't believe it. So we're heading to this side of the fortress. I hope this will give us a beautiful view of the city. Wow, guys. First, I want you to look at this. Look at this, guys. That's a beautiful, beautiful sea. You can see it. It looks beautiful. And I'm actually having a very nice breeze here. Amazing. These are scarecrows. Wow, looks beautiful. Guys, look at the scarecrows. Wow. Wow, guys, look at that. Look at this scarecrow with with a baby. I don't know what does that mean. I don't know. With a baby. Oh. Look. Guys, I don't know what's inside. Oh, a whole lot of things. Oh. It looks amazing. Whoa, look at the balloon. Wow, guys. Look, scared, please.
Vogliamo farci un giro intorno?
So guys, that's just a wedding. Yeah, they're having a wedding pictures here at the fortress in Savona. What a beautiful view. What a beautiful view, guys. It's amazing.